Hello everyone, we are on topic 11, positioning the new venture. The second stage in using the strategic window is to locate it. This means relating the opportunity to the business activity of established firms and understanding it as a gap in what they offer to the market. The idea of positioning provides a powerful conceptual framework for doing this. The key objectives to learn this topic is to understand how entrepreneurs make decisions which defines the venture's strategic positioning. Positioning the venture means locating it in relation to a market gap such that it can exploit that gap in a profitable way. This involves structuring the business so that it can serve the requirements of a particular market niche better than existing competitors. And effective positioning means that the business will be able to develop a competitive advantage in serving this niche. There are two distinct approaches to positioning the new venture: strategic positioning and market positioning. Strategic positioning looks at the way in which the business approach to delivering value to its customers is distinct from that of its competitors. Strategic positioning is concerned with the way in which the business as a whole distinguishes itself in a valuable way from competitor businesses. Market positioning, on the other hand, looks at the way in which the business offerings to the market are differentiated from those of its competitors. Market positioning is concerned only with the business products and services. Strategic positioning and market positioning can be used as a decision support tools for entrepreneurial business. Identifying a strategic position is a fundamental element of the strategic planning process. A strategic position is the way the business as a whole is located relative to competitors in the playing field of the market, that is, the competitive space. Strategic positioning can be defined along four dimensions. The first one is value addition. Second, customer segments. Third, customer needs. And fourth, the means or technology used to address the needs. An entrepreneur must decide what stage or stages in the value addition process they expect their venture to occupy. This resolves itself into questions about the inputs and the outputs of the business. These questions are: will the business make a particular input, which might be physical product or service for itself, or will it buy in it? Or will the business sell on a particular output to another business for further processing, or will it try to add that value itself? The decisions made in response to these questions must be based on an appreciation of the competencies of the business, its resources, and its competitive advantage relative to both competitors and the business adjacent to it, the value addition chain. Market positioning describes the way its outputs, products, and services are located in the marketplace relative to those of competitors. Success will be achieved only if the new venture offers customers something which is different from and more attractive than that offered by existing players. One way of thinking about positioning is to consider three aspects of the product or service being offered. A product can be positioned using one or more of these three ways in which its customer relates to it. Look at this figure. At the center is the functional core, that is, the features of the product or service which actually deliver its functional benefits. Surrounding this functional core are the aesthetic attractions of the product or service. These include design and branding elements which make the product or service attractive to use. At the outer level are the emotional benefits. These are those aspects of the product or service which appeal directly to the consumer's emotional and spiritual needs rather than to their purely functional ones. This may be achieved through branding, which allows the consumer the chance to say something about her or himself by being seen to consume the product. As a summary, the second stage in the strategic window is locating it. Locating the window means developing a position for the new venture and its offerings to the marketplace. There are two approaches for positioning. First, strategic positioning, the way the venture fits in the marketplace, and market positioning, the way the venture's offerings fit in the marketplace. That's all for now. Bye.